Closing the gap in terms of what people and communities can do in addressing the stigma. When we talk about HIV, always stigma is all talked about. And one issue that we have not been able to contain, not been able to really address in full perspective and with full understanding. It's very important that communities now understand, beyond what AIDS means, like beyond understand people living with HIV and other vulnerable groups such as males having sex with male, injecting drug users, and sex workers and transgenders, what their issues are and how the stigma intersects with our lives and in our day-to-day life, how communities can support. And it is very important when I talk about the gap, it means the acceptance gap here, how communities can actually, it is not the how you can actually accept and broaden the gap, which is in terms of the acceptance. How do you broaden the acceptance, which is what very important when it comes to stigma. How do you promote that acceptance among your fellow, communities? And that is very important in addressing stigma. Understand people in HIV, understand MSMs, understand transgenders, and we have a life, and we are just not cannot be equal to our HIV status, cannot be just equal to our orientation or behavior that puts us risk, but we should be looked at our totality as a human beings, and we have a right to live.